Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates on Instagram. Templates are fantastic tools that save you a lot of time and effort when creating visually appealing posts. They provide a professional foundation, allowing you to quickly produce high-quality content without needing advanced design skills. By leveraging these pre-made layouts, you can significantly elevate your Instagram presence and maintain a cohesive look across all your shares, making your profile more attractive to your audience. Finding the right template is your next step. Instagram itself offers a variety of built-in templates, especially for Reels and Stories, which are easily accessible directly within the app. Beyond that, numerous third-party applications provide hundreds, even thousands, of additional options. When choosing, think about your content's purpose and your brand's unique aesthetic. Selecting a template that resonates with your message will ensure your post stands out effectively. Once you have selected a template, the fun part begins: customization. You can easily personalize nearly every aspect. Simply tap on any text box to change the words, or swap out placeholder images and videos with your own unique media. Feel free to adjust the fonts, colors, and sizes to perfectly align with your brand's identity. This flexibility allows you to make each template truly yours, reflecting your individual style and message. With your template fully customized, you are almost ready to share your creation with the world. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all elements are perfect and your message is clear. Then, add a captivating caption and relevant hashtags to maximize visibility and engagement. Finally, select your desired audience and sharing options before publishing your polished content directly to Instagram. You've just created a professional-looking post with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.